Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. So this video is actually one that I had filmed last year, but it didn't get any kind of traction. It was back when I was making videos that were typically 20 minutes of toy hunts and CGC unboxings, and I had too much clustered into one video. So I took this segment out and am converting it into this video. So with it, it's a CGC mail call, as well as this is one of my reasons why I decided I was going to start doing pressings by myself instead of submitting it to third parties. In the video, I mentioned that I think that my copy is a newsstand, and later on down the road, I did find an old spreadsheet that I had of my books typed out on, and it confirmed that I did have a newsstand and my book was swapped. I'm not dropping any names because I believe in building people up and not tearing the people down. But hope you guys enjoy the mail call. It's a really sweet book. You gotta love it. And it's got a portrait sketch by Mark Bagley. So check it out. The guy that designed it. A remark and signature thing going on with him. So I was like, all right, cool. I'll give it a try. Now, this is before CGC announced that they were going to do the same thing. So they did it. But I stuck with this company because I pretty much already committed to it and figured it couldn't hurt. And they also offered a cleaning and press service. So I'm really hoping that I can get this bumped up to a 9.8. I think it's peaked. Oh, well, it's not bad. So this is supposed to have a signature and a remark on it, which it does. The remark itself is pretty cool. It's about what you've been seeing. If you've seen any of them online, it's about what they have been. Just a little side profile of Carnage, but it's cool. I'm glad I got it. Now let me see what grade I got. 9.6. It stayed at a 9.6. I was hoping it would go up to a 9.8. I'm also pretty sure that mine was newsstand, and this is not. Kind of skeptical about that, but either way, I didn't lose anything, you know? So it's still got 9.6 white pages. It has a sign-in sketch by Mark Bagley on August 28th, so that was about a month ago from where we're at right now. The signature itself, or not the signature, but the sketch is kind of hard to see. You keep seeing me shit this way because that's really the only way I can see it. It is done in silver pen. It was also supposed to have a Carnage custom label on it. Well, again, I am only into what I'm into it for a 9.6. I think I kind of got chipped over a little bit. I'm fairly certain that mine was newsstand, and this is not. But that's my fault for not taking pictures beforehand of it, you know? So now I've got a 9.6. Hey, you can kind of see it. I wish it was in red, but it's still cool that it's there. It's pretty hard to see on this. But I'm happy with it. Well guys, there you have it. You can see my disappointment whenever I realized that it was not what I had paid for and my book got swapped. It was originally a 9.6 newsstand, and then I sent it off to this third party. It was not CCS. It was a different company that was offering the signing beforehand, and they swapped book. It is what it is. I still have a 9.6. I am a little bit upset and butthurt that my book got swapped. I don't trust people now. On the plus side, I still have a 9.6 that's sketched. So that's cool, but unfortunately, mine could have came back a 9.8 newsstand. So, with the Carnage label. The most frustrating thing about that experience was I also paid to get a Carnage label and never received it. So, that's frustrating, because it was through the third party and not directly through CGC or CCS. I don't have personal invoices, so I can't file a claim nor get it resubmitted for the Venom label. Or no, nor can I get it resubmitted for the Carnage label, which is now retired. Frustrating, but life lessons that had to be learned, and now we won't make mistakes like that again because we're doing everything ourselves. So thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps my channel grow, and as my channel does grow, eventually I'm going to be doing some more giveaways involving some comic books or figures. Thanks, guys. Be safe and be great.